What a great was to see this part of the country. Super comfy seats that were quite spacious. The open viewing cart was spectacular and the staff were both professional and attentive. I'm planning another journey through winter to grab a different view. What a journey. At nearly every turn it was wow. Look at that exclamation mark. The most beautiful scenery, I think I will retire in Moana, and very informative commentary from both the train steward and the automated system. We left Christchurch a few minutes early as all passengers were aboard, plenty of free seats that day, so we were told to move around freely and take other seats if we wanted. Another unforgettable tour for me. And how lucky I was, explored this rail in such a beautiful sunny day. The Alps, the Arthur's Pass, the mountains, the rivers were amazing. Especially the tunnels and bridge we passed through told us how powerful and great the ancients were. I took the train from Greymouth to Christchurch, is a very unique experience and very beautiful scenery. Highly recommended. But there is not much hot food options on the train. Better to bring some more snacks for this 6 hours train ride. Very nice view in the train. Just get the windows seat and you don't need to be boarded to move to the viewing cart. Beverage in the cafe are with very reasonable price and options. It is one of the most beautiful railway routes in the world. Beautiful views along the way. There are lectures, taped, along the way. The staff on the train are cute. If anyone has been hiking for many days, come and relax your body on this train. Great sceneries, attentive staff who patrols the aisle for service, check-in only took 5 minutes. Food on board was also good. One of the scenic train ride from Christchurch to Greymouth took around 5 hours for one journey to reach there. If you don't drive, taking the train is the fastest way to get to the west coast, but the train may be delayed. If you book the intercity bus later, you may need to pay attention. My train journey took 20 minutes longer that day, which took almost 5 hours to get to Greymouth. The intercity bus driver was waiting for us. In the middle, I called intercity customer service and the bus was not waiting for anyone.